For this module, we're going to take care of the basic operations of polynomials, starting with adding and subtracting. So starting with adding and subtracting is really easy. Pretty much you combine like terms. So for this example, we have 2y squared plus negative 7y squared, which is negative 5y squared. And then we have negative 6y plus y, which is negative 5y. 3 plus 4 is 7. For the next example, we have addition and then we have subtraction. So let's take care of the addition first. You notice that you can do all three all together. So for example, if I want to proceed all three together, I'm going to change the sign for the third one because this is minus. So I'm going to change to addition and you change everything else in here. And then I can combine like terms. So we have negative 7u squared minus 6u squared plus 2u squared. That would be negative 11u squared. And 4u minus 2u is 2u. 2u plus 3u is 5u. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. And there we have it. For the next one, make sure you check for the like terms. So you see x cubed y squared and x squared y cubed. They are not like terms. But these two are like terms. So what we have, and don't forget this is subtraction, so I'm going to change the sign. So we have 2 plus 3, so that's 5. X cubed y squared. Don't forget we only combine like terms. So we have nothing for y squared, so I'm just going to copy it. For x cubed, we have 6x cubed minus x cubed, which is plus 5x cubed. And then the last one we have minus 4x squared y cubed, which is copy it. Moving on to multiplication. Multiplication, pretty much you want to distribute. So hopefully you still remember rule of exponents. So first let's just multiply the number, which is 8. Y, we have y cubed times y to the 5th power. So you add the exponents, so it's y to the 8th power minus 14y cubed. Same thing for number 5. We have negative 18 w x to the 6th power plus 48 w to the 6th power x squared minus 54 w x squared. Now, if you multiply binomial, hopefully you still remember we have to FOIL. Plus 16y minus 35y minus 20. So what I have is 28y squared minus 19y minus 20. If you have two variables, still okay. We still proceed as usual. So 2c times 6c is 12c squared minus 14cd minus 18cd. CD or DC, they are exactly the same, plus 21d squared. So I combine like terms. Minus 32cd plus 21d squared. Moving on to number 8. Number 8, I want to point out that hopefully you can see this is a conjugate. And when you multiply the conjugate, we have a plus b times a minus b. It's going to be a squared minus b squared. So keep that in mind. So you can just, instead of FOIL, you can just write down the answer right away, which is z squared minus 64. Okay. Same thing for number 9. We have the conjugate. So I'm just going to multiply 5z squared minus 3y squared. And then from there, I can simplify it. That's 25z squared minus 9y squared. For number 10, the reason I want to go over this example because a lot of people make the mistake and just write down v squared plus 25. This is wrong. So make sure for v minus 5 squared, that means you have v minus 5 times v minus 5. And then we ended up with v squared minus 10v plus 25. You can memorize this special product, or you can just simply FOIL. I would just FOIL. Okay. So same thing for number 11. We have negative 15 x squared minus 35x minus 12x minus 28. And then once again, I simplify it.